Do you still trade by looking at charts? Certainly, this question might sound strange to you and you might be surprised by it. But in the next few minutes, your surprise will disappear. For now, let yourself be a bit more amazed. Yes, you will be even more surprised to learn that charts are used as an advertising tool against retail traders and small banks. How is a chart an advertising tool? Large banks, and especially quant companies, have so much money that they have the power to move the price up or down. They artificially create demand in the market by driving prices up, and green candles appear on the chart. Seeing this, thousands of traders jump into the market. Retail traders buy, and they sell from the top, making a good profit while your stop losses are hit. Similarly, red candles are printed to advertise in the opposite direction. Some of you traders may already know these things. But what we are about to tell you now, you probably don't know, and it's the missing piece of the puzzle. Before we explain the missing piece of the puzzle, there's something else you need to understand. There isn't just one big fish in the world. There are many. They are a threat to each other too. And this is the point where the game can shift into the hands of ordinary traders. How can the game shift into traders' hands? When any big fish, like a quant company, creates demand or supply in the market, they can't just do it randomly without reason, because they could get trapped themselves. The cost of the advertisement in the form of green or red candles on the chart could become expensive for them. Therefore, they are compelled to follow a complete entry protocol for their trades. This allows them to loot the market without leaving evidence of their presence on the chart. From this point onward, what you read will start to change your trading approach. So, get ready. Now, the question arises, can retail traders get access to the entry protocol that the big fish use? Yes, it is possible, and some traders already have it. We call this entry protocol and the entire system the market's blueprint. But it's not important whether other traders have the blueprint or not. What matters is, can you get this blueprint? Yes, you can. And you'll find it in this very video. But first, remove the idea from your mind that you'll find the blueprint on the chart. The garbage techniques taught on the chart don't contain this blueprint. Why isn't the blueprint on the chart? Quants are known as the masters of this industry. Most of you traders are not familiar with quant trading. In 2 words, understand this because it is important to move forward. Quant companies are those that have the world's best robotic technology to understand the market. They have economic scientists, computing power, and, most importantly, massive amounts of money. Whenever a retail trader enters the market, they are competing against these companies. So, do you really think you can still use century-old chart-based methods to compete with them? Now, let's get to the point. The video you are watching is produced by a quant company. It's the first company that has thought about retail traders. We said you would find the blueprint in this very video. So here's what you need to know. We are ready to provide you with the blueprint used by big players. When you see it, you might not believe your eyes. Everyone can test it. There are no barriers to this. So you can see with your own eyes how this game is played with retail traders. This blueprint is called deep liquidity by the company. And the company that has agreed to provide deep liquidity is called Gerald. It is a France-based company. We'll talk about the company later. If you want, in the next few minutes, this blueprint, deep liquidity, can be available on your chart. But first, understand how deep liquidity is the market's blueprint. Deep liquidity is a specific price in the market that big players target. And this price prediction appears as a line on your chart, sent to you by a powerful quant algorithm that analyzes the market and detects the presence of the big fish. Now, you surely want to know the accuracy of this blueprint? Its accuracy is 95%. We know that hearing this accuracy will make you skeptical. That's why Gerald has not set any fees for testing its service for now. So wouldn't it be better for you to test it yourself, directly in the real market? You now know that you can get the blueprint. But how? We'll tell you that too. First, ask yourself a few questions. Question 1. Do you feel like when you place a trade, it seems like someone is watching your stop loss? Question 2. When your trades go into profit, do you fear the market might take back that profit, so you close the trade early, taking less profit? As a result, your account doesn't have enough strength to withstand losses, and it gradually sinks. Question 3. Do you find it difficult to predict where the market will go, or are you always in doubt even after analysis? If the answer to these questions is yes, then congratulations, because this won't happen anymore. Because you're about to get the blueprint. If you want to trade like top profitable traders, contact Gerald's team or visit our website and get free access to deep liquidity. Or if you doubt the accuracy of deep liquidity, feel free to test it yourself. Test it and prove us wrong. Now, a bit about Gerald. Gerald, Global Economic Research Laboratories, is a France-based quant company with advanced quant engines, supercomputing power, and a strong team of economic and data scientists. The company's vision is to empower retail traders, but with limited seats. That's where we end, and your decision begins. You can continue to fight the big fish without any weapons. Or you can use strong tools to compete against them and make substantial profits with less time and mental stress. Thank you.